Kawasaki KD80, just kick it. Kawasaki KM100, just kick it. Kawasaki KE100, just kick it. Welcome to the Kevin Bergeron YouTube channel. I'm your host, Kevin. If you like working on vintage two-strokes and how-to videos, I'm your guy. So welcome. And if you guys could do me one other favor, is hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so when I post a video, you don't miss out. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we have merch. You guys have been asking for it, and we got it. We have shirts. We've got awesome hoodies. Look at these things. This is zip up. We have pullovers. We have mugs, or what do you call it there? Guzzlers, I'm going to call them. And we have t-shirts. Look at this. The green Kawasaki KE100, or the red one on a nice red shirt that looks awesome. This is a great way to help support the channel and show the world that you watch the Kevin Bergeron YouTube channel. There you go. Plates. These plates are awesome. These are aluminum, guys. These are aluminum, and not only that, these are the same size as a regular motorcycle plate. So if you have a bike in your collection that maybe it's not going to be registered, but it's got a nice plate holder, you can mount one of these right to the back of it, and that would make that bike look absolutely awesome. And then we got the Just Kick It right here. This is great if you have a KV75 or an MT1. It's got the smaller engine on there, and it'll fit right on that plate holder. So these are all factory style plate, what do you call it there? Plate punch, so they'll bolt right onto any bike, any motorcycle, or dirt bike, or off-road enduro. So once again, I just want to say thank you guys. And you can check all this stuff out at dr2stroke.com. So it's www.dr2stroke.com. Doctor is spelled out. All right, guys. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm out. Hey, YouTube. How you guys doing today? Kevin here, coming at you with a happy Labor Day. Hope everybody has it off, and hope you all having some nice barbecues. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at my little Honda 50, my Z50 over there, my KV75, my son's KDX50, another KV75 I need to get parts for, and my GT80. And then over here we have my my KE175, Suzuki DS100, KD80, KM100, KE100, the KDE90, the Honda 250, and so forth. You can see I got a whole bunch of stuff up here. So this is a storage area right here where I keep my bikes, all that type of stuff. So, well, some of them, not all of them. So anyway, I think I'm gonna dig out, not today, but I just came back here because it's getting ready for Rice O Rama, and I'm thinking I might take my 75, my KV75 right there to Rice O Rama to scoot around on. I don't know. Should I take the... I'll let you guys decide. Should I take the KV75 or the Honda Z50? Okay? So you guys let me know what you guys think. And, because I want to take a mini bike down there. Not for sale, but to show, to show it, put my license plate on it. So, either the KV75 or the Z50. Or even my KD80. Could take my 80. I don't know. You guys tell me. So, out of the bikes that I can take, here's the bikes I'm thinking. I'm going to take only one. I'll let you guys decide. You guys can vote on it. The KM100, the KD80, the Z50, or the KV75. One of those 4 bikes. So let me know down in the comments what you guys are feeling. So I have a couple of bikes that are not mine that I have to wrap up, and I'm gonna be doing those within the next couple weeks. Getting all the custom stuff out of here, and then I'm on to my bikes, which is nice. For instance, I've had this bike for a few years now, and if you look in the comments, or not the comments, but my videos, you'll see this DS80. This one needs the crank seals and bearings and all that type of stuff. I actually am going to swap out the engine because I have another engine, but I also have the parts to fix this engine. So we're going to do an engine swap on this particular bike, and we're going to do a tear down and repair on that one. So that'll become a spare DS80 engine. This guy right here has an oil leak, so I got to fix the oil leak. If you look on the ground, you can see it lost a lot of its two-stroke oil, and you can see right there how the level is down. So I know it's two-stroke oil because, well, that's what's low, and my two-stroke oil reservoir is never low. I always keep it medium, middle, or full. So I can see that's gone down past that. And since I haven't ridden this bike and I topped it off last time, I know that it's leaking two-stroke oil. So we got to fix that line. I think it's in that line right there. I think it's leaking inside the oil pump area and onto the ground. Not a big deal. I think that hose is probably stiff as a board. The DS80, not this DS80, sorry, the KD80 is going to get a speedometer. It's going to get a speedometer and all that. So I love that bike. It's a great bike, but I wanted to do something a little tricked out with it, you know. It also might get a key switch, so I might show you guys how to put a key switch in. And the reason for that is if you have kids and you don't want them just randomly hopping on your bike, you can make it keyed. The DS100, I got the engine running on that. It's got CDI ignition, which I need another magneto for, the correct one. But the one that's on there is from a DS80, which works perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. However, it's not the right one, and I'd like to get that. I'd like to get that bike up and going completely. So, as you can see, there's a lot of pitting on the forks, that sort of thing. So I got a lot of work to do to that bike. Probably going to look for a parts bike. I have two tanks, one tank there and one tank here. And as you can see from all the bladder of braze, that tank is very religious. It's very holy. Same thing with that one. Both of these tanks leak and are porous. So I'm looking for a tank. Hopefully I find one at Rice O Rama for this bike. I really don't know what I'm going to do with this one particularly yet. I might, I do have another seat. I might just keep searching for parts for this one and get her going. The this bike right here, the 75, the 175 right here, the green one. What do you call it there? That's not the original tank. I put that tank on there. That one needs to be sealed. I don't like sealing tanks, but this one is way better than the other one. So I am gonna seal that. It is rusty, but not nearly as rusty as the original. And this bike needs to go on the road. I gotta do fork seals to it. It's gonna go on the road. I'm gonna register this bike. And swap out. I got these green handlebars that would look really cool on that particular KE100. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. We're gonna have some fun, guys. And of course, my dinosaur right there, my bike that I had forever and a day. That's my CB350 with the 360 engine on it, and we're going to be converting that over to CDI ignition, get rid of the 2 points that are on there because I've had nothing but problems with them. We've already upgraded the electrical system, so for charging, I actually had a shout out to what do you call it there, Rick's Motorcycle Enterprises. A long time ago they redid the charging coils on the magneto, not the magneto, but the stator, and they put 10 extra windings, heavier gauge wire, and it allowed the amperage to come up a little bit, only by a couple amps. It was like 2 amp increase. And then with the new voltage regulator I got, it takes the headlight power and runs it through the regulator, so now I get a full amperage at lower RPM. So now that that's all done, I can put on a heavier coil that can handle more voltage and more output. So a little bit of performance stuff to it, and we're going to do some carb work on that. That might get some different carbs. I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. I do know I've had that bike for, oh Christ, I want to say 30-something years. So time for an upgrade. And I sold it. I was able to buy it back, and it ain't going anywhere. So now I got to do something with it. So I'm going to be registering it and doing some more mods to it. And then lurking right there, you guys heard this thing do the first run. So we're going to see if we can get some side covers for it and some of the parts and pieces we need down at Rice O Rama. See what we can find. Be cool. Well, anyway, guys, I just want to say happy Labor Day. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for your purchases and helping support the channel. The more cups and shirts and stuff I sell, the more I'm able to keep going with this thing. And I really appreciate all the support. So if you want something cheap, I got the license plates. They're $10 a plate. Shirts are $25. Go on the store, check them out, see what you want, and let me know. You could just right on there. You can purchase them right from there. So it's a big help, and it's a big support. But anyway, guys, I'm looking forward to the what do you call it, Rice O Rama. And please let me know what you think. Should I take the KM, the KD, the Z50, or the KV75? I'm not sure which one I want to take. So on the comments below, please type in which bike I should take with me. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'm out.